Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video we have learned about class-based component and subclassed component. Class-based component is in React we have two types of component. First is class-based and second is functional-based component. So in this lecture we will learn about functional-based component. Okay, so you have to write one function, functional-based component.js, correct? So these are nothing different, but after the 16.7 version we are using stateless function to in our functionalities as class-based functions are working, because on this in the class-based component we can handle our state and all over the things. But after the introducing of the hooks, that is the latter second part and latter part of our lecture, so these are our functional based component. It's very simple. You have to just import React from React, correct? And after that you have to use this thing, same function name, correct? Same function name you have right, and this is your format of class based functional based component. So if you will use export default and functional, so now if you want to use and return a one parameter, return a HTML, in this case you have to just return an h1. This is functional based component. So this you have used. Now go to in your app.js and just call functional based component. This is the React feature. It will automatically import in your file whenever you will write a correct file name, correct? So whenever you will go here, see, this is functional based component. This is nothing but for the as a developer point of view, this is very important, as if you did the same thing in the class component, you have to write this thing, after that render and then return, and this thing you have write. This is also used in the functional component, but the main thing we have not extend anything the component from a React. Directly you have write a one function which is simply we are using currently in the JavaScript. Okay, after that you just write this thing, correct? And this is our functional based component. For this lecture, this is our functional based component. Thank you for the watching. We'll meet you in the next lecture.